In this video, I'll walk you through creating animated videos in Google Gemini step by step. Click the plus icon in the search box, and a menu opens with several options, including Upload Files, Add from Drive, Create Image, Create Video, and Create Music. These are your content generation and import tools for this session. Select Create Video from that menu, and the menu closes, bringing you to the Create Videos screen with a selection of video templates. You'll see example prompts displayed as thumbnail previews to help guide your own description. In the Describe Your Video box, type out your prompt, a short animated clip of a paper aeroplane flying through a sunlit office, gliding past desks and monitors, then looping around and landing on a keyboard, smooth camera follow, warm light, no on-screen text. The more detail you include about motion, lighting, and framing, the closer the output will match your vision. Click the Submit button to send your request, and Gemini begins preparing your generation job. Gemini starts processing, and you'll see a Defining the Goal status appear, followed by Generating your video. And once it finishes, you'll get a feedback prompt asking if you're satisfied with the response. The video renders inline so you can review it immediately. If you hit a daily limit message, you'll need to wait until the next day or switch to a paid account to continue. Video generation can take a few minutes depending on your prompt, so don't refresh the page while it's processing, or you'll lose your request. If the result isn't quite what you wanted, you can refine your prompt and submit again. Be specific about camera movement, lighting, and style to get closer to your vision. And that's how to create animated videos in Google Gemini. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.